Hey guys, if you regularly do gel manicures at home like I do, these premium UPF 50 UV protection gloves are honestly such a smart accessory to have. I love the fingerless design because it feels practical and comfortable while still giving your hands protection exactly where you need it. They work with both UV and LED nail lamps, and I can definitely see why professional nail techs recommend them. Now, another thing that I noticed is how lightweight and breathable they feel. The Cool Tech fabric helps keep your hands cool, and the breathable mesh material allows airflow so they don't feel hot or uncomfortable during longer wear. That's a huge plus for me, especially in warmer weather. The material itself feels soft and stretchy with a real comfortable fit. The combination of the premium nylon and spandex gives the glove a smooth, silky feel. I also like that they're versatile beyond the nail use. You can wear them while driving, cycling, fishing, or anytime you want. Added UV protection for your hands. And for maintenance, they're super easy to care for and designed to hold their UV protection even after multiple washes. I actually hand wash mine just to be safe and hang drying them. Now, overall, these protection gloves are a great investment for anyone who frequently does gel nails. I hope this helps.